This is an instance of what you call oops. These three bins here were completely full of corn. This last week we gravity emptied these and hauled them, put them in wagons, hauled them to market. But what was left over, is the grain that was still in the bin. And the way this bin worked out, when we got it down this low, the inner door, you can see the inner door laying in there. It fell out, and to finish the wagon out, we had to take the door out and then pull more out to send through the auger into the wagon. Now the trouble was, once the door was out, we didn't think that it would flow anymore, so we just stuck the outer door, which is laying down here. And what's leaned up against those two also. We stuck the outer door on and figured it would wait the extra week until we got a grain vac here to finish it up. But didn't work out that way. Grain shifted, ran downhill, blew the outer door open, and emptied this much onto the ground. So I just had to makeshift it. Took my bow saw out of the truck, cut a piece of lumber, put it inside the door, and I'm gonna shovel all of this back in, being it's dry and isn't water damaged. I can put it back in the bin, and it'll wait till next week. But as I had to stick the lumber in to hold the grain back. The grain will hold the lumber in place, but without the lumber, the grain wouldn't stay in there. So this is one of those fix it on the run. Then I don't know if you can see it here. Lumber didn't fit the door exactly, so it started to run out the corner. So I had to cut a couple of corn cobs, carve them into shape, plug up the grain. One thing about grain is once it's stopped from running, it doesn't run anymore. It jams itself up. But you got to stop it first. So I didn't expect to have to do this today. I just came out here to check a game cam. Saw deer tracks out here, so set up a game cam to see what's going on at night. And I didn't expect to have to spend an hour here shoveling corn, but that's farming. I haven't put up a video in a while, so I figured I'd show something at all.